Tired of manually entering hundreds of contacts into Aisensy? Let's unlock the power of bulk uploading and streamline your communication in just minutes. First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard, look for the Contacts tab in the left-hand navigation menu, and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens. Now, spot the Import Contacts button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on it to begin the uploading process. This will open up your options for importing. You'll be presented with options to upload your contacts. Aisensy typically supports CSV and XLSX formats. Make sure your file is in one of these formats. A great tip is to download the sample template provided by Aisensy. Using the template ensures that your data aligns perfectly with Aisensy's requirements, preventing any import errors. Select the prepared contact list file from your computer. Once you've chosen your file, hit the upload button. Aisensy will begin processing your data. Next, you'll reach the data mapping stage. Here, you need to match the column headers from your file with the appropriate fields in Aisensy, like name, phone number, and email. This step ensures that your contact information is accurately imported. Aisensy will then import your contacts. A progress bar will keep you updated on the import status. Once the import is complete, you'll see a summary of successfully imported contacts and any errors encountered. Congratulations! Your contacts are now uploaded to Aisensy. You can further organize them using segmentation and tags for targeted communication. Enjoy efficient and effective communication with your audience.